Hey everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and you are watching harisystems channel. So today I am going to explain you a few quick responsive techniques to learn Java. Yes, how to start learning Java quickly using artificial intelligence tools. Can anyone learn Java quickly using this ChatGPT or Google Bard AI techniques to improving the skills? Yes, if you are learning any of the programming language such as Java, if you are really interested to start learning from scratch, this video is for you. So let's begin. Learning Java fundamentals are highly essential for anyone who want to enter in programming or coding. And learning programming languages, the base fundamentals Java is one of the most popular open source programming language, as you are aware of it. And the future scope learning and doing of possibilities by learning and working with the Java apps or developing apps, web applications and many more. The Java in the fast days also having a great potential in future as well. Such a programming language, understanding a basic fundamentals like a variable declaration and creating a understanding of data types, loop statements, controlling of code execution, how the controlled environment, how it will goes, operators, what are the operators, how many are there, the scenario based when the operator and how to use and apply in our real world problem solving techniques. So learning all these techniques, adding ChatGPT such a AI tool whenever you are trying to adding to your learning experience, asking a conversational questions, asking a fruitful query to getting a source code which is readily add to your project and take an output in very less time. That will take you master in Java very less time. All you need to explore a basic fundamentals in Java. Then you have to concentrate a step-by-step process to taking information using ChatGPT such an open source, open AI. In this way, if you are start learning Java or any other program is also will take you master in real world concepts applying and doing. Don't you believe? Start learning today Java fundamentals strongly, then you apply AI skills. Yes, truly you will become a successful software developer. Wish you good luck. Thank you.